What's up guys, and welcome to Onourshelf. Today I'm reviewing the Beats Solo 4 wireless headphones. Let's check them out. Alright you guys, these Beats headphones are on-ear headphones. They are so comfortable. They're flexible and they're foldable and durable. These are Beats Solo 4 headphones, and you can see they have a little 4 on the headphones. The sound of these headphones are very powerful. These are noise canceling headphones. It also has environmental noise control, which can eliminate background noise. Beats Solo 4 has Dolby Atmos, which creates a more realistic and immersive sound experience. The sound quality is great because it is crisp and immersive, and when you're wearing them, it has a ultra light fit and it almost feels like you forget you're wearing them. The features on these Beats Solo 4 headphones, they are water resistant, not waterproof, so don't immerse these headphones in water. They can take rain, like if you're running in the rain or something like that, and they also can take sweat, so when you're working out. These Beats also have a built-in microphone, and they work with Google Assistant and Siri. The Beats Solo 4 has a very minimalist and sleek design. They are great for sports and exercise. The ear cups are synthetic leather. The cushions feel soft and they don't feel tight on your ears when you're wearing them. These headphones are convenient because they are wireless. Bass is very deep. Alright, in the box, you get Beats Solo 4 headphones, a carrying case, a USB-C to USB-C cable for charging and audio, a USB-C to USB-C cable for charging, and a 3.5mm analog audio cable, a quick start guide, and a warranty card. These Beats Solo 4 headphones are great for traveling, entertainment, and fitness. With the compact design, they're foldable. With the soft protective case, you can take the headphones wherever you go. They're great for traveling. The style of these headphones are very nice. The headphones feature a very minimalist, modern design with a sleek look. They are very lightweight, and their ear cups are plush with synthetic leather. I love the color. It's very unique. It's black and gold. They have other colors like cloud pink, blue, matte black. The black color does attract fingerprints, so every now and then wipe it down with a microfiber towel. And the battery life is up to 50 hours. The charging time takes about 1 hour. So these headphones can last a week with regular usage. So these are some of my favorite headphones that I've ever owned. They stand out, they look great, they feel great, they sound great, and overall these are just a great pair of headphones. Check them out. Now, I love working out. I love wearing these, going to the gym. The cushions don't feel tight at all. They feel very comfortable. These headphones stand out from the crowd. I feel like these are very stylish headphones. They sound great. I find that these headphones are fantastic for what it's worth, and for the value, the price is really good. They cost around $200. All right, that has been a review of the Beats Solo 4 Bluetooth wireless on-ear headphones. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These are wonderful headphones. The design is amazing. They stand out. If you have any questions, comment, like, subscribe. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching. Bye.